Hello friends, welcome to the Wow Kids Hub.
Today we will learn the names of shapes.
Hey, I am a circle, I have no sides. I am round. The sun is round. Football is also round. The bicycle also has 2 round wheels. Hey, I am a square. I have 4 corners and 4 equal sides. The clock is a square. The bread slice is also a square.
Hey, I am Tina. I am taking my breakfast of bread slices.
Hey, a triangle is here. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. Sandwich is a triangle in shape. The pizza slice is also a triangle. Hi, I am an oval. I have almost round shape. Balloon and egg are both oval in shape. Here is a semicircle. I am the half of a circle. An umbrella is a semicircle. Igloo is also a semicircle. Hi friends, I am a pentagon. I have 5 sides. House is a pentagon. Kite is a pentagon. Hi, I am a cylinder. Pencil has a cylindrical shape. Hello, I am a cone. Christmas tree has a cone shape. I am a heart. Strawberry and leaf has heart shape. Hey, I am a little star.
I have 5 corners.
Starfish is a star.
I am a rectangle, I have 4 sides. Notebook and mobile phone are rectangular.
Like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.